Over the weekend, we went to the cities, also known as Minneapolis and St. Paul, and it was really neat. We got to go to Como Zoo. This is a great attraction. It has a conservatory and zoo, as you can kind of see here. A lot of really cool plants, and they're all labeled, and they show you what it is, and they have stuff from all over. I don't know if you can read any of those. I might have gone a little too fast, but they have things like ginger and pineapples that you can see, and vanilla bean. And this is actually in the Fern Room now. The great thing about this is it is free, and they do ask for a donation, I guess, free will donation, but you can get in for free also. Otherwise, it's like they ask for $2 or $3 or something, so it's very affordable. But very neat. We didn't show you all of the rooms here. Like I said, this is just the Fern Room, and before we were kind of in the more tropical area. We didn't go in the Japanese gardens, and look at all of those ants. Those aren't everywhere, just in that one spot, so be careful where you put your hands. Now this was the sunken garden, so it's very beautiful. Then we moved on to the zoo. So you can see we're in the Primate Rooms now. This is a lot of it is inside because it was so hot. Look at that cute little mustache. But they do have outdoor exhibits. However, it was almost 100 degrees this weekend, so most of the animals were inside. So a longer video of some of the cute monkeys, gorillas, chimpanzees. We didn't get some of the bigger ones in action. I missed that, but I do have a picture here of basically King Kong there. Then we moved outside, and you can try and spot a zebra. There were 3 of them out there. They're kind of hard to see. There's also 4 giraffes. There's a baby one in there, so that was really neat to see up close. They also have polar bears, and you can see this ostrich trying to get a drink of water. They have foxes and bison and all sorts of animals, so it's a great choice for younger children, a small zoo, and it's affordable, free to enter. So be sure to stay tuned to see more of our fun getaway and what we did that was affordable. Thanks.